Hi guys, it's Jaden from Saskatoon Truck Center. This is stock number 5228P. It's a 2024 Ford E-450 Cube van with 84,000 K. This cutaway does come with the 16-foot Unicell fiberglass body. It is also the 7.3 liter V8 Godzilla motor. That has replaced like the 6.2 in these, as well as the V10 they used to run in these as well. So they seem to be better on fuel and do have more power, so it's quite a welcome addition. In the back, we've got a 16-foot cube, 7 feet tall, plenty of room in there. It does also have the pull-out ramp, nice big corrugated step. The box itself is in really nice shape. This back door, no paint scuffing or anything on it. There's no chips or anything on the side of the fiberglass, so everything's in pretty nice shape. These work well for construction companies, putting materials in and out of there and moving them, to and from job sites. Also work really well for cabinet shops, for delivery, and also work well for obviously couriers and delivery companies as well. So in 24 and 23 as well, it's nice that they do have interiors in these things now. They got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. They got air tilt, cruise, and Bluetooth, which, up until basically last year, there was none of that as far as options go in cube van. So it's nice to see that welcome addition, especially for people that do, run for long hauls on the highway. Having some power options is definitely nice. So again, plenty of uses for a 16-foot cube like this. Stock number 5228, 2024 Ford E450 Cube van.